Look at this decomposed wood chips. It's really amazing. And it has so many worms in there. Worms in there. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and you can see I am standing in front of my huge pile of wood chips that I showed you last year, and I have to tell you, I am eating my words when I say that I didn't want free wood chips, because these chips are life-changing. Okay, I'm actually going to show you why. The whole entire gardening season, I mean, I know fall is here now, but I didn't actually pay for mulch. I've been using this in place of mulch, and I'll show you exactly why. I left this here now for about a year, okay, and these have sort of decomposed so well. There's a lot of worms in there. I've used this to amend the soil. I've placed them around like trees and stuff, and the trees have done really well. I even used it to amend the soil where I planted the dahlias. I'm actually going to give you a glimpse of the dahlias. Obviously, it's an eyesore where I have actually located my wood chip right now. It's like as you pull into my driveway, all you see is wood chips, and it's just an eyesore. But for now, I don't even care. I don't care for looks and now, because I just want to amend my soil and do a lot of things, right? So what are the 4 key main benefits of wood chips, right? Well, number 1 for me is that it's such a cheap way, because the wood chip is free. It's a cheap way of amending the soil, right? It's amending the soil, and the way I amend the soil is not by mixing it with the soil, okay? You put it on top. I actually amend the soil by putting the wood chip, the decomposed, keyword here is decomposed wood chips, on top of the soil, and I also add grass clippings on it, right? So grass clippings, a lot of people throw it away. I actually never ever throw away my grass clippings, because I actually go back and put it on top of the wood chips wherever I spread wood chips, because it adds nitrogen and potassium back into the soil. So grass clippings has many benefits. I'm actually gonna find time to make another video on that, all right? Number 2 is that with the wood chips, I'm able to retain sort of moisture in the soil for my plant. The third thing is that it also helps regulate the temperature of the soil. Okay, it helps regulate the temperature of the soil, which is really good. The 4th thing is that it helps prevent erosion, you know, and all that. The one thing that I was actually shocked about when it came to the wood chip is that I have an area with a huge amount of clay that I had plants in there that were not doing too good. But the moment I put it there, after it was decomposed, I actually put it on top of the soil. I put grass clippings, and you'd be amazed at the transformation. Some of the plants there are doing a lot better than I thought. So I'm thinking that maybe I should just dig them all up, put a lot more wood chips there, and grass clippings, and see how it goes, and then maybe nurse the other evergreens that are almost like dying back to life. That's actually very easy. Skillshare. I mentioned this earlier on, that Skillshare is a sponsor of this video, and it is an online learning community with over 60,000 uplifting videos for creators. Basically, you can learn to do anything here on Skillshare. Let me just give you an example. So let's just say you're looking to do video essays, or maybe you want to be a creative writer. Let me show you the amount of resources that are on here for you to explore. All right, so let's just do creative writing. And look, there's a ton of them right here. Personally, for me, I'm learning how to do watercolor painting, and I have been enjoying a few of the classes. Like my favorite one, let me actually go back to my watch history. And this is one of my favorite teachers right here, Peggy Dean. So let me click on this one right here. I'm learning how to the one I'm watching right now is watercolor loose florals, and I want to be able to paint a rose, or I want to be able to paint a dahlia, right? And she's very, very clear when it comes to instructions, and it's very, very easy to follow. Let me actually show you. Let me play a little bit of this.
We will learn to explore, to break the rules a bit, to get a little messier, bringing a whole new look to our florals. This class is perfect for you if you're ready to start painting flowers and leaves with less structure for a bright, soft, inviting appeal, and caters to both watercolors who have dabbled or never even touched a brush before. I got you. I can't wait to get started with you. Let's go.
Skillshare is offering the first 1,000 people free premium membership so that you can actually explore the classes there. I'm going to include the link down below, so please feel free to click on it, alright? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please consider subscribing. Stay safe out there, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!